Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create single stacked bar chart in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to create the single stacked bar chart. At first, click some data, go to the insert menu, select the recommended chart option, then click the all chart. Now I am select the bar option. Now I am select the single bar chart, select this chart and click the single bar. We can see here the double bar. Now I am select the only single, click OK. Now we can see we create single stacked bar chart easily. You can change the chart, select the change bar chart option and select the single stacked bar chart. You can add the style of the chart, otherwise change the color. You can rename the chart title. Click inside the chart text box and rename the title. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.